Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on a PlayStation 5 with a PlayStation 4 controller. While PlayStation 4 controllers connect to a PlayStation 5, they function mainly for backward-compatible PlayStation 4 games. Fortnite, being a native PlayStation 5 title, does not directly support the PlayStation 4 controller. To use your preferred controller, we must employ PlayStation Remote Play. This feature streams your PlayStation 5's display to another device, enabling you to play Fortnite using your PlayStation 4 controller from there. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is either powered on or in rest mode. From your PlayStation 5's home screen, go to Settings, then System, and finally select Remote Play. Here, enable the Remote Play feature. Next, download the official PlayStation Remote Play application onto a separate device. This can be your smartphone, tablet, or a personal computer. Search for PlayStation Remote Play in your device's App Store or online. Then proceed with the installation. Now, connect your PlayStation 4 controller directly to the device running the Remote Play app. For example, if using a smartphone, pair your PlayStation 4 controller via Bluetooth. Once connected, open the PlayStation Remote Play application on that device and sign in using your PlayStation Network account. The app will then locate your PlayStation 5. Select your console from the displayed list to initiate the remote connection, streaming your PlayStation 5's screen to your second device. Your controller is now linked and the stream is active. Once Remote Play is established, you will see your PlayStation 5's home screen mirrored on your second device. From here, simply launch Fortnite as you normally would. For the best experience, connect your PlayStation 5 to your router with an Ethernet cable for stability. Ensure your internet connection is strong, ideally with download speeds of at least 15 megabits per second. This method, leveraging PlayStation Remote Play, is currently the most effective way to play PlayStation 5 Fortnite using your PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.